Want dewy skin that's perfect for the season of love? Here is how to get it. Hi everyone, my name is Carrie, aka Glamonista08 here online, and today I'm going to take you guys through one of spring 2022's biggest upcoming beauty trends, which is dewy, natural looking skin. Now you can still have a nice smoky beat like this one, or a softer look depending on your style, but the skin is still something that we want to have a dewiness, a glow, a beauty to this coming season without looking greasy and oily. So here's how you do it. And this little tutorial will be featuring products from e.l.f. Starting off with a primer. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer that hides all pores, but it's our secret, okay? Just between you and I. This primer is really awesome, especially because of the cost, and it really does give you that nice filtered, flawless look for any makeup look you're going for. So I recommend using a base like this that can get rid of your pores to really help make the attention of your skin be on the glow and not on all the pores underneath. So I just like to prep my face by smoothing this in, and then I go in with a foundation. Now you can use any foundation of choice, but the one that I'm choosing to use is by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is their Luminous foundation. I really love this foundation because it evens you out. It gives you a really nice flawless base, but it looks still like skin, and it does give you that luminosity, that light glow without making you look greasy. So this is your second step, just smoothing this into your face, and both this primer and this foundation you can get from e.l.f. Now the one trick that I forgot to show here is how you set this before you put on any luminizer or highlighter. When you set your base, you can use whatever powder you like, but when you're setting, make sure that you, instead of baking for this look, you just use as much powder as you need. A little bit goes a long way. I like to set with a sponge, so I'll take a loose powder, I'll pat my sponge in the loose powder, and then also pat it on the back of my hand to get rid of any excess powder, and then I will tap and roll it, especially in this area underneath the eyes and the cheekbone area where you tend to highlight, so that way I'm setting my concealer, my foundation, any other thing that I have on my face, but I'm not taking away any of the glow from the base, and I'm not making it look super matte so that it's harder to stack a highlighter on top of. So once you do that, you can apply your contour, you can apply your concealer, set those as well. And then the last product that I love to use for this type of look is a cream highlighter. This one is by Hourglass Cosmetics that you can get from ecosmetics.com, and I love this thing. This is great because you can use this with foundation on top of your makeup, or you can use it without any. And it's super simple. You just want to apply this to areas that you would naturally glow from. So usually the first step is always the cheekbones, okay? And you can glide this stick on. It's super easy to use. I also really like to apply this on my nose in the center, as well as this area right here on top of your eyebrows. A lot of people forget to highlight here, but this can give you a really nice natural glow. You just want to make sure you apply a little amount, or else you will look greasy. You can apply some on your chin, on your cupid's bow, anywhere you want to have a nice shine from. And then you can just blend it out. I used a sponge, but you can also use your fingers. Your fingers will warm up the product and make it a little easier to blend so you don't have lines on your face. And then you can proceed with the rest of your makeup, your lip products. You can set with a setting spray, but this will stay on your face to give you that nice subtle glow. It looks like you're glowing from within, but you don't look like you're oily. So this is how you can get a nice, easy, romantic glow for the season of love approaching, for spring approaching, etc. So make sure to check out these products, and you can also follow these same steps using powder products if you don't like creams. So I hope you guys utilize this tutorial to be trendy and glowing in 2022.